Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing and look at this Raipile LED neon sign for outdoors. This is a waterproof sign. They have different fonts available. I got it in blue, so it also lights up blue. It's basically got LED strips that are behind these letters that are glued on very nicely actually. It comes with an installation kit here. Basically screws, spacers to put this on your wall. Even a little cable if you want to hang it, it looks like. You've got a standard wall plug. You've got this little AC/DC adapter. That plugs into the cord that's plugged into the actual light. Here you've got a remote. You can basically just increase, decrease the brightness and turn it on or off. Alright, it's been plugged in. There's a little blue light here on the remote. Turn it on. As you can see, it lights up very nicely. It's already at max brightness, but I can go ahead and push the down button and it goes quite low, so you can just tell how bright this thing gets. It's got 4 holes, 1 in each corner. So there you go. And honestly, that might be my preferred method of installation just because of how simple it is. You can put this in front of those fake vines. You can put it on top of a backdrop for baby showers, weddings, different types of events, and people can take pictures in front of the sign. Overall, I highly recommend this sign. I like the different mounting options that are available. I like how simple it is to adjust the brightness, and I especially like the durability and quality of this.